I'll be giving a review on one more product from Zerodha called Pulse, which is used by many people for following up the day market movements every time, every each and every moment. It is used to give the market newses. So just download it from the Google App Store and open the Pulse app. Okay, this will give you the all the information regarding market. It will not only give the Indian market market indices ups and moves. It will give around the globe market. It will consider. It will take the data from different websites. For example, Live Mint, Economic Times, Hindus, and other websites. It will collect the data and it will display the everything in one app, which is very helpful for you. Should not go to each and every time to other websites to get the upgoing trend regarding the market. So you'll get everything in a single market. Suppose if your Nifty is going up or down, it may be because of your global market also. So directly or indirectly global market will affect the Indian market. So those kind of informations or the newses you can get it from this app, and it can also gives you the which stocks are technical view of on the stocks, and which stocks are traded very actively traded, or down, why it is going in down trend, or it will give you the what will be the indexes, whether the indices will move down or come bearish, or it will be a bullish. You can using this app you can find out for while every time you're doing the trading. So you can for intraday purpose it's a very useful. You can just go through this app and find the market strategies. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. And in for upcoming sessions I'll be giving more some more products which is provided by the Zerodha.